Welcome to Bakemas Day 5. Today we are making chocolate candy cane cookies. So first get yourself a quart jar, and quart jars can be expensive, so there's no shame in just using a plastic container that's a quart size. To start, I have 1.5 cups of flour, to which I'm going to add a half teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a whisk. And then if you have a canning funnel, get that out. If not, you can make a makeshift funnel with foil or parchment or waxed paper. And let's spoon our flour mixture into the bottom. And we're going to pack that down. And then give that a little shake to level it out. On top of that, we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, packed brown sugar when you measure it. And then we're gonna pack the brown sugar down. On top of that, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of white sugar. I'm gonna use my funnel for this one. And shake that level. I'm gonna give it a little pack down. Whether or not you pack it down, give it a shake to level out that layer. Next up, we have 2/3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm using mini ones today. Shake that layer level. And last but not least, 2/3 cups of candy cane pieces. So to get 2/3 of a cup of candy cane pieces, I would use about 10 standard size candy canes, and I unwrapped my candy canes, put them in a quart size freezer Ziploc, and used a wooden spoon to whack them to pieces. You can use your rolling pin, that would be great. I think a metal spoon would have worked better for me because I hurt my wooden spoon a little bit. But 2/3 of a cup of candy cane pieces. And then shake that layer level. Look at that. I'm a huge fan of mint and chocolate, whether it be spearmint or peppermint. So fun, especially for Christmas. I borrowed this recipe from the Domestic Geek YouTube channel, so credit to her. I will leave all of the ingredients down below in the description, along with the ingredients that your gift recipient will need to actually make these. But once you've made your cookie in a jar, get that lid on. Get yourself a gift tag. These are from the Dollar Tree. If you've been watching my Bakemas 2022 series, you will know. I'm a big fan of the Dollar Tree. That's where my jar is from. That's where my gift tag is from. That's where my bows are from. The Dollar Tree is the place to be, I tell you what. However, be sure, if you do get jars from the Dollar Tree, test the lids and make sure they screw on. And there you have it. If you would gift this mix to someone, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And then don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you know when I drop the rest of the Bakemas 2022 episodes. And if you missed the first 4 episodes, I will leave the playlist on screen along with the most recent episode.